Hello guys, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel.
Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
I get up early in the morning. Then I go to washroom and get fresh. After I say my prayer. After then I go outside for the morning walk. Getting back home, I then have something food what I get easily. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my work. Completing it, I get ready to go to my working place and that's all. Actually, I get up early in the morning, then I go to washroom and get fresh. Next, I say my prayer. Uh, After then, I go outside for a morning walk. Getting back home, I have something food what I get easily. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my work. Completing it, till I get ready to go to my working place, and that's all.
Actually, I get up early in the morning, then go to washroom and get fresh. Next, I say my prayer. After then, I go outside for morning walk. Getting back home, I then have something food what I get easily. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my work. Completing it, I get ready to go to my working place, and that's all.